Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, April 15th. For today, if you go into the assignment, you will see that you are going to complete a reading of a nonfiction article about the yellow fever. So it should be similar to what you're reading in the book, but remember we're reading historical fiction and authors do alter history basically in historical fiction. So this will be an article about yellow fever and you have some comprehensions that follow. So let's look here. Here's the article. Okay, so we just took this from ReadWorks. It's all about yellow fever. Should be a pretty simple read. Okay, so that was it. It's about a page and a half, okay? And then go to the question. Oops, my mouse just jumped. Go to the questions for articles. And notice, use the article Yellow Fever to answer questions 1 through 4. You're going to have a different article to read tomorrow on Thursday about the coronavirus, and the rest of the questions will go with that article. So you're only answering questions 1 through 4 today. After you read the article Thursday, you'll answer questions 5 through 8 about that one, okay? So read the article, answer the 4 questions, and that's all you have to do for today. You actually won't be doing any reading in the book the rest of this week. You're going to do an article today, one tomorrow, and then on Friday you're going to do a compare and contrast of the 2 articles, okay? Let us know if you have any questions. We'll be online tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. for a Google Meet. So we hope to see you there. If you have any questions, email me or Miss Anderson. Have a great day. Bye.